Hello everybody. Welcome to a video tutorial that explains how to register with esurveycat.com and purchase credits. As soon as you open esurveycat.com, you will find the registration page. Please register yourself for free to use the eSurveyCAD online solutions. Enter all the required details and click on register to complete the registration. An email is sent to your registered email ID, which contains the registration link. Open the email and click on the link to enable your registration. Using the login details mailed to you, you can log in directly. There are some free services like lat-long conversion. If you are happy with the online application, you can go ahead and purchase the credits and enjoy using the software service online. Click on the pricing menu to see the latest plans. In this video, you will see the plans as of 1st June 2021. Click Pay Now to make your payment towards the purchase of a plan of your choice. You may purchase a monthly plan for 899 rupees or $14 where you get 100 credits, or a yearly plan for Rs 89.99 or $139 where you get 1500 credits. When you create an account with esurveycat.com and purchase the 899 rupees or $14 plan, 100 credits will be available in your account, which you can utilize to create sections, contours, artwork, quantity takeoff, or extract elevations and images. Credits will be deducted from your account based on the module you use. Your purchased credits will be available for use until the plan period, that is, the respective month or year, after which they will expire. Credits for different transactions are shown in the table. Transaction credits required: 1 artwork calculation 10 credits, 1 contour map generation 10 credits, 1 KML to CAD conversion 10 credits, 1 section generation 10 credits, 200 elevations extraction 1 credit, 1 image extraction 1 credit. Credits will be deducted from your account even when you select a CSV file wrong or provide column numbers incorrectly. Before processing, you can change the CSV any number of times. Until you process the data, the system will not charge your account. How are your credits utilized? When you do an operation like creating contour map or creating a set of cross sections, the application counts the process as 10 credits. When you purchase a monthly plan, you will get 100 credits, which means you can either generate 10 contour maps or convert 10 KML files to drawings or create 3 contours maps, 2 artwork calculation reports, and 5 conversions from KML to CAD. That means, when you buy 100 credits, you are entitled to utilize the application for doing any of the 10 operations, that is generating output, before the credit expires. When will your credits lapse? After you buy the credits, there is a time limit for utilizing the allotted credits. If you buy monthly credits, and you must utilize those credits within a month of registration. Let us say you use only 95 credits in a month, and 5 credits are left. In such a case, the remaining 5 credits will automatically lapse. So, we strongly recommend that you utilize credits before they lapse or expire. How much time do you have to download the output? Once you generate the output, we expect you to download the output immediately. The application will not maintain either your inputs or outputs beyond 24 hours. This software as a service is developed and hosted by Surveying Softech, Bengaluru, India. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please explore our software, Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite. Using the Road Infra Suite, you can process the data right from survey. You can prepare contour maps, generate earthwork calculation in any grading project, prepare cross-section, longitudinal section, and do earthwork calculation for road, rail, canal projects. You can do highway design, prepare strip plan, and create plan profile drawing with ease. Using the water infrasuite, you can prepare water network drawings, do hydraulic design, and prepare execution drawings. Extract BOQ reports like 3D pipe length, bends, specials report. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos related to infrastructure engineering and design solutions. Click on bell icon to get notification on new videos. Please contact us at +919449599709 or email us at info@esurveying.net. Suppose you want to try the software for free. Book a free demonstration at esurveying.net.